What is box breathing?
Box breathing is a simple, mindful breathing technique used to reduce stress and anxiety. By controlling your breath in a structured pattern, you can signal your body to relax. This method is sometimes called four-square breathing and is popular among athletes, first responders, and anyone seeking a quick way to regain calm and focus.
How box breathing works.
The technique involves inhaling, holding your breath, exhaling, and pausing, each for an equal count, usually 4 seconds. This balanced rhythm helps slow your breath, lower your heart rate, and shift your attention away from anxious thoughts. By repeating these cycles, you give your mind and body a chance to reset during stressful moments.
Step-by-step guide to box breathing.
To practice box breathing, sit comfortably with your back straight. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold your breath for another 4 seconds. Exhale slowly through your mouth for 4 seconds. Finally, pause and hold with empty lungs for 4 seconds. Repeat this process for several cycles, focusing on each breath.
Benefits of box breathing.
Box breathing can quickly calm anxious feelings, improve focus, and promote emotional balance. The technique acts as a brief mental reset, reducing the body's stress response. With regular practice, you may also notice improved sleep quality and a greater ability to handle stressful events with a clear mind.
Tips for practicing mindfulness with box breathing.
Practice box breathing in a quiet space, but remember it can be used anywhere, at work, before sleep, or during challenging situations. If 4 seconds feels difficult, adjust to a comfortable pace. The key is consistency and gentle attention to your breath. Regular practice helps build resilience and promotes overall mental well-being.